Hello viewers, I hope you are doing well. I started shamanic breathing while listening a tribal drumming music. After a few minutes while breathing, I started to feel really cold. There was a lot of tingling in my whole body. My arms or hands went totally numb and hard, and I started to feel pain in my hands. My whole body started to become so hard that it felt like it was made of stone. As soon as I stopped the breathing exercise, I held my breath inside. And suddenly, it felt like I had detached from my body and had become an infinite void. The feeling of the body transformed into just a few sensations, flowing energy and currents. My mind and body filled with joy and peace. I could feel that all the blockages and knots in my body were opening and I was becoming more lightweight. Negative emotions, regret, sadness, and contraction in my body. Just there was some kind of blissful source of energy which was in my control, and I was using this energy to heal different parts of my body and brain. I could literally move that energy to where I wanted any kind of feeling. I was becoming aware of those parts that needed healing through my intuition and sense. Using this energy, I healed many emotions and negative sensations. I was able to scan my whole body and find areas that needed healing. I felt like all of the cells of my body were blooming like flowers. It was a really blissful feeling. In the end, I was really peaceful, happy, and lightweight. When I came out of my room, I was very fresh and active, and I was able to look at everything in more colors, refreshing alive. I was highly alert, and my senses were really focused and sharp. I was able to look at others in a more focused and marvelous way. My wife said, "Your eyes looked a bit different and your whole overall face looked much more alive." Then I saw myself in the mirror and everything was very clear. I was able to notice each hair and pore on my face. Then in the mirror, I focused on my forehead between my eyebrows. I could see a bit in a different way than I do in normal states. Then suddenly skin of my forehead, which was in my focus, filled the whole of my vision and everything else disappeared. Then after a few seconds, I came back to normal. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.